What's missing? The products. So the main product is the G1 2 Pro. It's a necklace, or like the grid chip, the golden point you can see here. It's inside a necklace so that you can wear it. And the beautiful thing about the G1 2 Pro is, first, it's the second edition, means there was a G1 1. In English sounds not so good, in German better. But there's the G1 1. And we delivered them, and we had a lot of German customers. They took them to Thailand and wherever, and then they broke them. Of course, they put it into the salt water, and they were kite surfing and diving, and they're like, "Hey, Christian, what's wrong with your products?" Like after 1 month of using it, the grid chip is falling apart, yeah. And was never invented for this kind of stuff. So that's why we came out with the G1 2 Pro. That's this version, and this is like nearly indestructible. Like it's this like German engineering version, you know, like 20 years before when we were constructing a car, it's like, how can we construct this car that it lasts for 100 years? Huh? That's how we were thinking back in these days. And that's the same. So this is definitely, if you buy this one, the G1 2 Pro, I don't know how long, but I think it lasts longer than your personal lifetime. Yeah, you can give it as a present to your child or whatever. And the beautiful thing about this is really in the center of the body. It's next to the heart. The heart is known to be like a water pump. So coherent water. It's perfectly pumped through the body, so you have a beautiful experience with the G1 2 Pro. It's really stable, it's really, just a really nice, good product. And then some people came, like Anna, and saying like, yeah, but you know, today it works beautiful to my dress, but maybe tomorrow not. We need something else. And we came out with the G1 bracelet. So this is the same like the G1 2 Pro. The grid chip is the same power, it's the same product, but you can wear it really easy as a bracelet. Yeah, Anna has also one. And the beautiful thing is, like, it fits totally together. Like if you see it, like my golden merit ring, my other rings, like maybe you have a Rolex, you can put it into there. And it's really, because it's high-end materials, like it's a lot of gold and high-end steel that you could also put into your body. Yeah, we really take it really serious when it comes to product quality. So it really goes along with other jewelries, or like with high-end watches, or with expensive dress, or whatever you want to wear, or however you want to use it. It always looks good. And the design, as you see, it's really cool. It's easy. It's this like, okay, it's individual, but it's not too much. But the people will have a look at it and like, come on, what is that? It's not. I know you're not wearing it just to be beautiful. No? That's often what happens. No? The people, they like, okay, why are you wearing this? Like, what is it doing? And
it's
then,
an eye catcher.
Yeah.
It's really an eye catcher, because the customers, they feel it. They see it, but they feel it also.
That's true. A lot of people, they can feel it from the distance. Like, even like with babies, yeah. Sometimes, like if you see a baby, we had some stories, and the babies, they're always grabbing the G1 because they can feel the benefit, yeah. They are not like driven by their mind, they are just driven by their heart, and they're like, come on. And so they always kept it. And so G1 2 Pro, the bracelet, beautiful combination. You also increase the effect. Like at the beginning, I thought maybe I just wear once of it. To be honest, not. I'm always wearing both. Like the G1, I wear it under the shower, in the bed, when I go to the beach, always, and the bracelet too. And yeah, it's a beautiful thing. It's really easy. You don't have to care about it like some other stuff where it's maybe not waterproof, or it gets destructed by the sunlight or whatever. No, our products from G Blanco, they last. Definitely they last long. And last but not least, but I really, really love it.
My favorite.
Qi Home Air. Here's just Qi Home, but on the downside there's a high-end laser, so you see Qi Home Air. And why is it called Qi Home? Why is it called Qi Home Air? Qi Home Air is also the second edition, so we also took the customer feedback from the first Qi Home and made it like even more powerful. The people said like, okay, come on, give me more of it. And the main idea about this, it makes the air coherent. So I don't know if you know it, but in the air is always water. Also in the walls, like if you have a dry wall, you're talking about 20% of water in the wall. That's totally normal, that's needed, otherwise it would fall apart. And that's where we're aiming for. We want to have the water coherent in the wall, in the air. And what's happened with that? You get like a really laid-back atmosphere. And that was the idea why we created a Qi Home Air. I wanted to come home and to get like recharged in 15 minutes. This was my idea. Like, okay, I come from work, exhausting work, come home, lay down on the couch, 15 minutes, and then boom, I'm back again. I can go out, I can go whatever, billiard, dancing, eating, whatever you like, just do it. This was the idea of the Qi Home Air. That's why it's often sold out, by the way. But a lot of people ask me like, what if you have to choose, what would you choose? The Qi1 bracelet, Qi Home, it's always this little baby. Of course, even during the sleep, you get a lot of rest. It's beautiful, and yeah, that's the story about our three products: Qi1 2 Pro, Qi bracelet, wonderful Qi Home from Qi Blanco.